Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can clear all files from the trash in Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we have to open our file manager or my file application in our Android phone, and this is my files application. We have to open it, and after we have this file application opened, we can go to the trash, this one. Click on the trash, and after that you are going to edit. Click on this edit button, and here you can select items, and if you want to clear all files from your trash, you can select all items. Okay, now all items have been selected, and after that we just need to click on a delete all, and then the files or all files from your trash will be automatically deleted. Alright guys, then that's how we can clear all files from the trash in Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.